Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I smile.
I smile.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I want to make breakfast.
I want to make breakfast.
Oh no! I cannot find my cup.
Oh no! I cannot find my cup.
Where is my cup?
Where is my cup?
I look on the table.
I look on the table.
I look in the kitchen.
I look in the kitchen.
I find my cup.
I find my cup.
Great! Everything is okay.
Great! Everything is okay.
I make hot tea.
I make hot tea.
The tea smells nice.
The tea smells nice.
I drink my tea slowly.
I drink my tea slowly.
Now I want to eat.
Now I want to eat.
Oh, there is no bread.
Oh, there is no bread.
What can I eat?
What can I eat?
I see some bananas.
I see some bananas.
I eat a banana.
I eat a banana.
It is sweet.
It is sweet.
Now I feel full.
Now I feel full.
I am ready for my morning.
I am ready for my morning.
My phone starts to ring.
My phone starts to ring.
It is my friend.
It is my friend.
My friend says, "Good morning."
My friend says, "Good morning."
I say, "Good morning."
I say, "Good morning."
My friend wants to meet me.
My friend wants to meet me.
I say, "Okay."
I say, "Okay."
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Oh no! I cannot find my keys.
Oh no! I cannot find my keys.
Where is my keys?
Where is my keys?
I look in my bag.
I look in my bag.
I look on the chair.
I look on the chair.
I still cannot find them.
I still cannot find them.
Then I check my pocket.
Then I check my pocket.
I found my keys.
I found my keys.
I smile.
I smile.
I open the door.
I open the door.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
I start walking.
I start walking.
I hear a sound.
I hear a sound.
What is that sound?
What is that sound?
I look around.
I look around.
It is a small bird.
It is a small bird.
The bird is singing.
The bird is singing.
I smile again.
I smile again.
Now I walk to my friend.
Now I walk to my friend.